Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have this summer Walmart beauty box. I'm excited about it. I see that a lot of other people already have shown it. And y'all, I get 2 boxes. And this I was charged for on June 17, and then I got it today. So that took about 12, 13 days. And then I got charged today for my second box. I do use 2 different emails, and I use 2 different addresses. I have a P.O. box and then I have my home address. And that's what I do so that I get different versions. Because originally when I was getting 2, I'd get the same box because it was all under one account. So just advice for you. It's $8.98 and that covers everything. You have some sales tax in your state, but that covers the shipping and everything. So I'm gonna tell you real quick what I'm wearing. It's very, very hot here. Y'all, I know this has nothing to do with the Walmart box, but please, please, please take care of yourself. It's horribly hot in a lot of places, so hydrate, drink, drink, drink. Just telling you. Sometimes when we feel, sort of sluggish or we're headachy, it's because we're not hydrating enough. We don't have enough water. So Gatorade, the liquid IV sticks, I like those. There's many like that. So do something like that to take care of yourself, okay? Because that's what it might be making you sick. I have on the Natasha Denona Yucca palette and Yucca, whatever you want to call it. This is what she looks like. And I just have some of these chrome ones on, and very beautiful palette. And on my lips, I have one of my favorites. This is the Clinique Love Pop, and this is what she looks like. And I was dressed really nice from work, but I was so sweaty and hot, I took those clothes off, put on a t-shirt. And the t-shirt, well, nah, I thought it matched. It doesn't match. Anyway, I love the box. The box is just different, a little bit different. And this box is sturdier. The sides are sturdy. It's not that flimsy cardboard. So let's see what we got. On your email, I think it's when you get billed, they do tell you what version you have. Not quite. I'll show you. This is what it looks like when you open it up. We have a brochure that tells us information about what's in the box. The last time in spring, everything in this brochure I think I had in my boxes. And it used to not be that way. It used to be, some things. So maybe that's going to be the same. That'll be nice. On the back, there's some advertisements from the company Not Your Mother. I do like their dry shampoos. And then La Roche-Posay, I really like any product I've ever had from them. Has been great. I've had cleansers, I've had moisturizers. It is a product that I can use when I have an allergic reaction to other things. So in this brochure, let me show you. When you open it, on this side, at the bottom, is a version number. It's right here. I don't know that you're going to be able to see it, but it says S25. I don't know why it says 25, because it used to be that S25 would be summer 2025. This is summer 2026. But then it says V2. So variation 2, version 2, whichever you say. So in this little brochure, it matches the box, it says, "Hello, sunshine. Step into summer with this curated mix of beauty essentials. Shop the full sizes, Walmart.com. You can do walmart.com/beautybox, and then it'll bring up products that are in the beauty boxes. And let's see what I got. So if I go according to the brochure here, okay, this is on the left side of the brochure. So probably everyone's going to get something from La Roche-Posay because they are the sponsor, or one of the sponsors back here. So this is the full, okay, let's see what it is. It's 50 broad spectrum, SPF 50, face and body. So it's a sport SPF. So lightweight lotion, sunscreen. So maybe it would, water resistant. I was just gonna say, maybe it'll resist water. It's water resistant for 80 minutes. So if you're out playing, volleyball or something, then this will stay on you. Hey, Smudge, come on up. The full size of this is 6.7 ounces and it's $32.97. This one right here is 0.5 ounces, which is 15 ml. So you can try it, see if you like it. Boy, the full size is expensive. But I will tell you this, the Roche-Posay stuff is pretty good stuff. I really like it. Like I said, it's one of those products that I can use that I don't ever have an allergic reaction to. If I have an allergic reaction from something else, then that I can use that. So, you know, this box, y'all, there's some good things in this box, but a lot of things I'm not going to be using. So we have Nair. They've been giving Nair here lately, or, you know, not everybody wants Nair. So this is Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. It says it's natural, 97% origin formula is what it says. Orchid and cherry blossom extracts. Long-lasting results up to 4 weeks. Helps minimize hair regrowth, leaves skin soft and smooth, and dermatologist tested. This says that it's a free sample. It's 8 wax strips in here. The full size would be $7.82, which holds 40. So 5 times this box. So it's going to be, let's see. We've had some that look like this before. This looks like a different packaging. Maybe because of the orchid and cherry going on, but you've got this, so you can see them in there. There's this size, and then there's this size. So this you could use like for your upper lip, and then this looks awfully small for your legs, but maybe your bikini area? I don't know. But anyway, that is great for summer. It's a great summer product, I will say that. So far, we're doing pretty good with that. We have this Palmer's. Palmer's has been around forever, y'all. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. Tahitian Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner with Vitamin E. So there's actually a decent amount in there. For me, this would definitely last me like a 3-day weekend. I think there'd be plenty enough in there for me. And like I said, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, when I first was introduced to it, I was a kid and I worked at a beauty supply store. And it was stuff that beauticians would buy and then have in their salons. And then, you know, they'd give a manicure or something, pedicure, and they'd use it. But it was lotion. You know, this is shampoo and conditioner. And it's Tahitian vanilla. Did I say that? It says it's made with acacia honey, natural acacia honey. Hydrates, smooths, nourishes, and shines. So really good for summer. It is 15 ml, so 0.5 fluid ounces in each packet. See, this is the same size of stuff is in here as it's in here. I mean, there's for a sachet, this is a good bit in here. So that is good. The full size says that it's 10.6 fluid ounces and it's $5.97. So I would assume that's for each bottle. You know, it would be a nice large size like that. And then we do have a product from Not Your Mother's. Hey, Smudge, here's Smudge. I was hoping for some dry shampoo because I do like their dry shampoo. You'll have to sit down. This is Not Your Mother's 10-in-1 All Eyes on Me Hair Perfector. This is a heat protectant. So I've used different products from Not Your Mother's, but I don't think I've used a heat protectant. I may have somewhere along the line. The full size is 6 ounces, $7.92. This is 2 ounces, which is a good size. So you really, you know, this is plenty for you to try. You could try this for weeks and, you know, to see if you like it. It's a nice spray bottle. So, and usually this brand stuff smells good. Yeah, it does. It smells good. So I have a lot. I always have heat protectors going on, so I'm not sure when I'll get to that, but sometime I will. Oh, okay, Smudge. He's pushing his way through. All right, then we have from Curology. Curology is a good brand. I have had some skincare product. Would you believe he's trying to get into this box? This box is so small, Smudge. And it's got all these little squirrely, you know, all these little things, foozlies in it. You're going to fall off this table. You know, they can get into anything. They really can. I'm going to knock my drink over and everything. Okay. Anyway, this Curology, it says emergency spot patch. Sudden spot, we've got emergencies covered with low profile hydrocolloid patch that absorbs pus and oil. Fast-acting healing support whenever, wherever. Apply the patch to the problem spot on clean, dry skin. Wait 6 to 12 hours, then peel it off. So this is a pimple patch. Oh, there's 20 patches in here, y'all. This is just a little sachet, but there's 20 patches in here. That's a good amount. He's in the box, y'all. So the full size of this comes in a box, a purple box, and a full size is 40 pieces. So this is half the box. Wow. So it's $9.92 for the box. So this is a $5 value here, or thereabouts anyway. So let's see what else we have. This is very nice. Not really something I'll use, but I like it. This is from the brand Gimme Beauty. This is bounce back hair bands. The full size is $7.90 for 12 pieces. This is a 5 count. Now, if you know, this has this little thing to hang. This is a full size to me, even though it says the full size has 12 of them. I wouldn't consider this not a full size. But these are, it says 3 hair types. It's gentle on the hair, long-lasting firm hold, no dents or hair breakage, more comfort and less tension. So these they feel like velvets, and there's 2 in this size. There's 2 in the middle size, and then there's, this one is just big. This one is much bigger. It feels like elastic. The edges are wind up into, the edges wind up into it. And it has a G, they all have a G on it. That's the Gimme brand. So these do feel very soft. So they feel like, I remember being a kid and having my hair in a ponytail and try to lay down and it would just hurt. This is soft. These are super stretchy and soft. So this is very nice. Okay, Smudge, you're gonna sit down. And then last but not least, y'all, this is a full size. This has got to be a full size. Yeah, this is a full size. This is Chapstick. And this says, I love summer collection lip balm variety pack. Full size, $3.88. You know, Chapstick has always been a bargain. I love summer. So in here are 3 different flavors, it looks like. We've got, let's see if I can see what, it looks pink grapefruit, peach, and watermelon. Oh, wow. This one I can see, it says sweet watermelon, but you can't see the names on these, but here there's watermelon, there's peach, and there's pink grapefruit. Oh, it says it right on the back, y'all. Pink lemonade, peaches and cream, and sweet watermelon. So that is very nice to have. Chapstick is great in the summer. You know, Chapstick, what Chapstick does, it's a wax. So you put it on your lips and it does not, if your lips are in good shape, it keeps moisture in. If your lips are chapped, which is what Chapstick says they're for, your lips will only get worse. So it becomes very addicting. You have to keep using it because you think you need to put it on because you think your lips are dry, because they are dry, because this keeps moisture out because it is a seal on your lips. So it's really not the best product for your lips, but when your lips are normal, you know, it's you know, gives you slickness, and then you've got that taste if you want it. So cute package. So we got this full size, $3.88. We got the sachet of the shampoo and conditioner. I'm looking forward to trying that. I bet it smells delish. We got these lovely hair bands, and we got the pimple patches. Somebody told me, and I'm not sure that I'm remembering it properly, that a pimple patch will also help you with a mosquito bite. If that's true, let me know. Say so in the comments. I think somebody told me that. Because, like, you know, a lot of us get them, and I won't use these, but I do have friends with young people. I have young people in my life that I could give this to. And then the Nair strips, which I'll also give this to I have the same person in mind. And then we have the heat protectant for your hair, not my mother's. This product, did I tell you the full size was $7.92 for 6 ounces? They're good products and they're reasonable. You know, like the dry shampoos are like $7 or $8 for a can, and they're a good, big, good can. So Y'all take care and count your blessings. Thanks for seeing what I had from Walmart. And I'll let you know when I get the second box. Y'all, bye-bye. Take care and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye. He's in there.